Good morning, students. In previous class we learnt up to 5.1 exercise up to 12 questions. Now we'll see the 13th question. A farmer obtained a yielding of 1720 bags of cotton last year. This year she expects her crop to be 20% more. How many bags of cotton does she expect this year? Okay, here the number of bags yield last year is 1720. So now the crop is increased. So increasing percentage is equal to 20%. Increasing bags. So total last year bags into 20%, 20 by 100, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 into this one, 344. Okay. So how many bags are increased this year? 344 than the previous year. So total number of bags yield this year is equal to 1720 plus 344, 4602. So 2064 bags yield in this year. So like that you have to do this problem. Example 1. A cycle is marked at rupees 3600 and sold for rupees 3312. What is the discount and discount percentage? Both you have to find it. So here, for example, market price, selling price. For example, a cycle is there. For example, 1000 rupees cycle, market price. The shop was sold at 800. That means the difference is discount. The 200 is nothing but discount. So discount, how to get that discount? MP minus SP. MP means market price, SP means selling price. So discount equal to MP minus SP. Discount percent, if you want to get this discount, by MP into 100. Okay, discount percent you have to find like that. D by MP into 100. For example, here 200 discount, market price 1000 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. So 20%. So 20% is the discount. So like that you have to use these formulas. So now you'll see this one here. What are given? First you have to write market price, MP of cycle is equal to rupees 3600. SP of cycle 3,312. So discount equal to MP minus SP. MP minus SP, that is 3,600 minus 3,312. So subtract 3,600 minus 3,312, 2 rupees 288. That is the actual discount. Discount percent. Discount by market price into 100. That is 288 by market price how much? 3,600 into 100. 0 zeros, 0 zeros. 9 table. 9 3 jar 27, 9 2 jar, 9 4 jar, 4 8 jar, that is 8%. So actual discount is rupees 288. Discount percent is 8%. So like that you have to do this problem. And next we have to see the example. Example 2. The market price of ceiling fan is rupees 1,600 and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. Find selling price. So here what are given, first you have to write market price of ceiling fan is given rupees 1,600. Discount percent is given 6%. SP you have to find. So when actual discount if you want to find out, so discount equal to discount percent formula is there, no? Discount, actual discount by market price into 100, no? Here whatever you know, that one you can substitute. This discount percent we know, discount we don't know, market price we know 1,600 into 100, 0 0 0 0. So discount by 16 equal to 6. The 16 transpose this side, discount equal to 6 into 16, that is 96. So actual discount is 96 rupees. If you want to find the selling price, market price minus discount, then you will get selling price. Market price is 1,600 minus discount 96 rupees, 1,504 rupees. 1,504 rupees is the selling price. So like that you have to do this one. Okay, now we'll see example 3. Example 3. Neelima went to shop to buy a dress. Market price means market price of the dress is rupees 1,000. Is rupees 1,000. Shop owner gave a discount of 20% and then 5%. Find single discount equivalent to these two successive discount. Okay, So actually we thought a shopkeeper, shop owner gave discount 20%, after that 5% means we got 25% overall discount, but it is wrong. So 20 plus 5, 25%. Overall discount is not 25%. So differently coming. So you will see that one. First of all here, MP of a dress is rupees 1000. So first discount percent 20%. Okay. So now you find discount. That means 1000 into 20 by 100, 0, 0, 0 cancel, rupees 200. Again you got market price MP of dress after first discount, that is 1000 minus 200, that is rupees 800. Now again this is again market price, another discount is there. This is D1, discount 2. This is D2. D2% is given 5%. Again you find discount. That is, now you can take 800 MP, 5 by 100, rupees 40. Now this is selling price. We got selling price is equal to now 800 minus 40. That is 760 rupees. So this is selling price. Now overall discount we can find. Total discount is 1000 minus 760. That is 240. Single discount. The single discount percent we have to find. That is 240 by MP market price 1000 into 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 24%. So overall discount is 24%. But we got first they gave 20%, after that 25. We must get 25%, no? But we got 24%. So overall discount is different from sum of two successive terms. So like that you have to do this example sums. So remaining sums we will do in the next class. Thank you.